Hey everyone, hope you're doing well today and welcome to day 7 of my learning journey, and hopefully you guys are learning something too. So yeah, today I ended up learning Python. Super excited about that. It's a very fun language to deal with. I'm not saying that like C isn't a fun language to deal with, it's just it doesn't bring everything to the table that Python does, and it's just very well-rounded and you can get a lot done very fast. So yeah, I also learned a little more basics of SQL as I'm always learning more on databases. But yeah, so although today I ended up doing a little more learning than implementing, I do plan on learning more throughout the week and the next few months. So yeah, let's get into it. Today I learned how to use Python. That's by like string manipulation and networking. Yeah, it's really interesting, and I hope you guys can also go ahead and check it out, as it's a very easy language to learn. Lots of people end up using it as the first language they learn. But as far as me wanting to get into more of the computer science basics, I started with C. But yeah, so you guys remember how like lists from C? Well, now in Python, they're seen as arrays and they use the square brackets. We learned about tuples, which use the curve brackets, and then also learned that Python has built-in dictionaries, and those end up using the squiggly brackets. Another cool thing that I learned about is the loops in Python. They are also super flexible, but they make it very easy to iterate over the elements of a dictionary. And that is why I implemented learning Python and then more SQL, as in SQL and databases, you use dictionaries. So yeah, I do plan on implementing both of those very soon, and I'll show you guys how to do it. I hope you guys enjoyed my little update video. Tomorrow I actually end up and start learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which are that is more of my strong suit. And I'll just get like more basics and understanding behind it. As I know how to code it, I just really like to learn more of the backstory behind it. So yeah, go ahead and stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next time.